Hi guys, welcome to Colossians Mathematics class. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Alright, in this video, I want to talk about solved examples on SOLD. And what did I mean by solved example on SOLD? In my last video, I explained the rules of SOLD. So in this video, I'm going to be making use of those rules as we solve. So ensure you watch this video to the end, like, share, and make comments if necessary. If there are questions you need to ask, do well to ask in the comments section. Alright, so to the first example, we have 2 root 50. So we have 2 root 50 minus 3 root 8 plus root 32. Alright, so now I need to simplify this. Now the first thing you need to do is to put them in similar sort. So I can see this to be 2 open brackets root 25 times 2 will give us 50, right? Minus 3 open brackets 4 times 2 will give me 8 plus square root of 16 multiplied by 2 will give me 32 also. So this will be the same thing as 2 open bracket 5 root 2, because the square root of 25 is 5 and root doesn't have a square root, so that's 5 root 2 minus 3 open bracket 2 root 2, the square root of 4 is 2 and root 2 plus 4 root 2, the square root of 16 is 4. Alright, so this time this will give us what? 10 root 2 minus 6 root 2 plus 4 root 2. Now you can see similar sort. I explained that in my last video. So this should be what? 10 minus 6 plus 4, all root what? 2. And 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 plus 4 will give us what? 8 root 2. So this will be the final answer for this question. Alright, so let's go to the second example. Second example now, we have product 3 root 2 plus 5 multiplied by 4 root 2 plus root 3. So you can do it this way. Write your 3 root 2 multiplied by 4 root 2 plus root 3 plus write 5 multiplied by 4 root 2 plus root 3 again. Alright, so this will be 3 times 4, 12. Root 2 times root 2 will give you 2. I explained that in my last video. The root of a number multiplied by root of that same number will give us the number. Alright, so 3 times 1, there is an invisible 1 beside this, which will give us what? 3. Then root 2 times root 3 will give us what? Root 6. Alright, then plus 5 times 4 will give us what? 20 root 2. Then 5 times root 3 will give us what? 5 root 3. So that will now give me what? 24 plus 3 root 6 plus 20 root 2 plus 5 root 3. There is nothing similar there. If there's something similar there, I will have to bring it back to a more smaller fraction, alright, to a more smaller simplification. But since there is nothing similar there, then this will be the final answer. Now to our question 3, we have it in 2 parts. Now this is called the rationalization of SOLD. I explained that in my last video. So to do this, we have 4 over root 3. Alright, 4 over root 3. To rationalize that, we have what? 4 over root 3 multiplied by what? Root 3 all over what? Root 3. Then that will give us what? 4 times root 3 will give us what? 4 root 3 all over root 3 times root 3 will give us what? 3. So this will be the final answer for that question. Alright, so the second one, I have 3 root 2 over 2 root 5. Now to do this, you see, to rationalize, it is only the denominator we are rationalizing and is the root we are rationalizing. So you don't need to multiply up and down by 2 root 5. Just multiply numerator with root 5 and denominator with also what? Root 5. And that gives us what? 3 times 3 times 1 will give us 3, root 2 times root 5 will give us what? Root 10. All over 2 times 1 will give us 2, root 5 times root 5 will give us what? 10. And that will give us what? 3 root 10 all over what? 20. So this will be our final answer. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Alright, so let me go to the fourth question now. Don't forget, I'm talking about solved examples on solved. You can check my last video to see the rules of solved, and I'm just applying those rules in this video. Alright, so this one now, we have 4 all over 1 plus 2 root 3. Now, how will I rationalize this? Very simple. Now, I need to multiply numerator with the conjugate of this and the denominator also with the conjugate of this. And what will be the conjugate? The conjugate will be what? 1 minus 2 root 3 over 1 minus 2 root 3. Alright? So, 4 times 1 will give you what? 4. 4 times 2 root 3 will give you what? Minus 8 root 3. Alright? 1 times 1 will give me 1. 1 times minus 2 root 3 will give me what? Minus 2 root 3. Now, plus 2 root 3 times 1 will give me what? Plus 2 root 3. Now, plus 2 root 3 times minus 2 root 3 will give me what? Minus 2 times 2 is what? 4. Open bracket. Root 3 times root 3 is what? 3. Alright? So that will give me what? 4 minus 8 root 3 all over. This will cancel this. Since this is minus and this is what? Plus. So now we have what? 1 minus 12, because 4 times 3 is 12. Then I will have what? 4 minus 8 root 3 all over what? Minus 11. So as we all know, the negative sign cannot be the denominator. That will have what? Minus 1 over 11 multiplied by what? 4 minus 8 root 3. And if we simplify that, that will give us what? 8. It will give us, yes, 8 root 3 minus 4 all over 11. Minus times plus will give me minus. Minus times minus will give me what? Plus. So that's how you are going to simplify this. Alright, so let's go to the last example that we have for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to your friends, family, and loved ones. Alright, so this we have 7. So we have 7 all over root 5 minus root 11. So how will you do that? Multiply numerator and denominator by the conjugate. So this is root 5 plus root 11 over root 5 plus root 11 also. So 7 times root 5 will give me what? 7 root 5 plus 7 times root 11 will give me what? 7 root 11. Alright? All over root 5 times root 5, 5. Root 5 times root 11 will give me what? Plus root 55. Root minus times plus minus. Root 11 times root 5 minus root 55. Minus times plus minus. Root 11 times root 11, 11. Alright, so this is the same thing as what? 7 open bracket. Root 5 plus root 11 all over. This will cancel this. 5 minus 11 will give me what? Minus 6. Then my final answer will what? Minus 7 all over what? 6 into bracket root 5 plus root 11. So this will be my final answer. Right? So this is where I'm going to stop on today's class. So don't forget to share this video. If you have any question or if there are anything I explained that is not clear to you, do well to ask in the comment section. Thank you very much and do have a great day.